Everyone, I'm Dr. Vrishali Raut. I'm an industrial psychologist. Today we are going to discuss impact of OTT platform as well as social media on work productivity. If we see in last 3 months, all of us have been extensively using OTT platform as well as social media platform because we have time. Some of us are working from home, some of us are not having jobs, some of us are having less work, but even by sacrificing our sleep, most of us are indulging in binge watching, especially Netflix and Amazon Prime and other OTT platforms where they offer very lucrative content which we cannot avoid because they are designed in such way. And please try to understand the impact when you see something by sacrificing your sleep. You lose the benefit of learning and emotional stability of sleep. Sleep, if you don't sleep for 3-4 days, or if you even sleep less than 6 hours per day, it is going to impact your physical as well as mental health in long term. Extensive use of social media as well as OTT platform and internet surfing or gaming can induce ADHD in you. ADHD is a attention deficit hyperactivity disorder which is found in few human beings since birth. There are medicines available, there are therapies available on it, but though most of us are not having it, by using mobile extensively, we are losing our capacity to concentrate, to sit at a place for a longer period of time, to write something, to do something creative, and even to pay attention to something which is important. So we are all inviting or inducing ADHD in our brain by using these OTT as well as social media platforms. Second thing is, if we use these things, our brain gets addicted to it, and there is no difference in brain which is addicted to internet or brain which is addicted to cocaine. So because of use of extensive social media, gray matter which is responsible for our muscular movement, speech, hearing and many other things reduces, and it is irreversible damage. So all these things are going to impact our work productivity now as well as in the future also. So if you want to keep your brain as well as body healthy, if you want to stay sane, if you don't want to lose your sanity, suggest you to go for a regular sleep schedule from at least 10:30 a.m. to 5:30 or 6 a.m. 10:30 p.m. to 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. Binge sleeping at weekends is not helpful. Avoid OTT platform as well as social media platform as far as possible. If you are under 25, then please I would suggest do not subscribe it at all, because it is horrible and it seduces your brain like anything. And since your brain is extremely vulnerable to all these things, you cannot take that much of dopamine or the content they show to your sensitive brain. So please avoid these things as far as possible. If you really want your country to become Atmanirbhar, if you are really in love with your country, if you are proud of your country, please understand the effect of social media and OTT platforms on your work productivity in a day, and try to get rid of it. Indulge yourself in physical activity, indulge yourself in face-to-face interaction with people. If not face-to-face interaction, at least go for telephonic conversation. That's it for today. I'll come back again with next time with something new. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.